Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Okoyemi Olotu and I'm still here to drop information that is very important. Now, this position here is the position of an IT site technician in Broomsgrove, Worcestershire. Now, I need to show you a few things here. Now, this job was posted 7 days ago. And as you can see on my screen, the salary is £26,000 per annum. The recruiter, you can see flat fee recruiters. Now, I'm going to show you something. Contract type permanent, recruiter type direct employer. So this is to show you that the employer is the one you are applying to directly. You are not applying through any third party. So any reaction or any CV, any document, any application you're submitting now is directly to the company. Now, this particular position, this advertisement will close on the 7th of March 2024. 7th of March 2024. So please, I don't want you to sleep on this opportunity. Now look at the job description. It says our client has a fantastic opportunity for an IT site technician to join the team providing network support on site at a school in Broomgrove, Worcester. Now, this is a full-time job of £26,000 per annum. He said applicants must be authorized to work in the UK. Authorized in the UK means that you have come into the UK to work, not maybe by any legal means, or you are restricted to a particular work. Now, for example, now, if you're in the UK as a carer, you have the skilled worker visa as a carer or a healthcare visa now, so to say. You won't be able to pick up this job. You are legalized to work, you are authorized to work, but you are restricted by your visa to the kind of job you can do. This is a different story entirely. So here is just for you to be able to come to the UK and work. So now, let me say, for example, now the purpose of most of the messages or most of the information I drop on my YouTube channel is for people who are in the foreign country that wants to relocate to UK, or you are in a country you want to leave your country to another place, and that's why I share all of this information for people. Now, so most of my information, if you see me post for people within the UK, is just for some people who have connect in the UK, because I still have people reaching out to me to please help with job, with visa sponsorship. I've had a lot of gist when it comes to jobs. Now, I said that to say, when you apply, when they say that you must be authorized to work in the UK, it doesn't mean that you cannot, if you can find your way into the UK and get this job, it is something you can, add to your CV or to your document while sending it. Please don't forget you have to have a cover letter. Cover letter is as important as anything. In fact, cover letter is rated next to your CV. So it's very crucial that you have a letter, a cover letter. Please, if you don't have a cover letter, I'm sorry, it might be very difficult to get a job. I'm serious, because currently organizations now give regard to cover letters. Please have cover letters to this job. So if you can communicate in your message, or in your mail rather, that you can be in the UK and pick up your job, or you can relocate by yourself if the company is not having a relocation assistant. All of these things you can ask them. You can ask them in your mail. You can draft a mail. My name is this, and I'm glad to apply for this position, having the qualification expected or required of this position. And I will be glad if I can know if there is relocation assistance to this opportunity. If not, I would definitely not want to lose this offer on just make sure, let them know that, okay, if we have relocation assistant, this guy is ready to come. Now, it gives a lot more, important. It gives them, if they see a good CV with good qualification, good skills, and all of that, supported with a good cover letter, then you now support it with the subject details in your mail. They are saying somebody they don't want to lose with a lot of skills, and yet the person too is willing to find a way to come here. If they can support, they will. If they can't, you will get your job when you come in here. There's a way you just let them know. See, don't think that people on this side, people in the Western world, they will think like the way you think in your home country. Please don't think for people on this side. Don't think for them. You would think they think or they will not want to give me if I tell them that I need this. No, 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 no. These people sometimes, or people don't care. They don't mind caring for everything about you. Some don't have the capacity, but they can let you know that we don't have this capacity. But if you can come, they will clarify things with you. Please don't be scared when you are relating with these people. They don't put fire on their head though. Please relate with them. Let them know your intention. Now it says that okay. You say our client provides education, technology for schools and academics, from complex school ICT network installation to simple supply of hardware. They offer outstanding advice, robust products, and trusted school IT technical support. Blah blah blah. Now the job role is reporting into the site IT manager. You'll be working within a team of 7, and so on and so forth. You can see all that is required in this, in this information on this page. You can see all of these: Office 365, Azure, Intune, Autopilot knowledge, understanding of Windows 10 and Windows Server 2016, 2019, 2022 operating system. All of these things, maintenance and installation with technologies, knowledge of virtualization solution, preferably Hyper-V. All of these things, just check them. Active Directory, group policy, and domain services. All of these things, just be sure that you are qualified for this job role. And please, don't 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 miss it. Don't ignore this. Don't ignore this. Don't ignore this. So when you're writing your mail or applying for the job, you might have to put this add ID 5413932935. Please don't forget to add it. Add ID, so that when you're applying, it can be attached. It doesn't have to be in your CV.